This is Mark D. Roberts, Mr. Real Estate, Mr. Rental, Boston. This is 339 Adams Street, apartment number 1, 5 bedrooms, beautifully appointed floors, ceilings, windows, fixtures has all been renovated. This is the first floor. You're coming right into the door off the first floor on Adams Street, next to Stop and Shop, next to all of the shopping centers, the malls, the banks, perfect location. This is the first bedroom right here. You can see Adams Street is right outside. Beautiful windows, everything has been renovated. It is a 5 bedroom. Okay, that's bedroom number 1. This is the main living room right here. You can see the gleaming hardwood floors. And we got the nice ceiling fan coming in right here. I have to find out about the AC. It may be AC. It feels like there may be some central AC. I'm not sure. Here's a brand new kitchen, white shaper cabinets. Believes that's granite. Looks like granite to me. Countertops. You have all these little cute utility closets right on the side that you can use. So that was first bedroom. Here is the second bedroom right here. Here we go, right here, another one. And this is really big. You could put a king size bed in here. I love this one right here. Double doors. See how big it is? And I'm 6'4", and this is literally towering over me. What I like also about this is on the back. You can go to the back. There's a little deck back here. So, see the deck back here? So you have a nice little deck in the back. I like that. Okay, so let's keep going. Let's keep going. We gotta go downstairs. So be clear, this is a bedroom right here. There's one bedroom, big one. This is a smaller bedroom. Could probably put like a full-size bed, a twin bed in this one. Full size, a twin, right? The other bedroom I just saw, probably put a king size in that one. This could be a little office or for a smaller room for a twin bed, full bed. This is the master suite. So that's 1, that's 2. And this one here, I don't see, let me just double check. This might be like a little dining room area cable. Yeah, this is more like a dining room area cable. So there's 2 bedrooms upstairs. All right, it's like a little dining room. This is the main living room area, okay? And then down here, we got 3 more, I believe. Let's see. Downstairs. Laundry unit, another closet, as you can see. Another closet right here. Oh, actually, this is for the heating system. And we have a washer and dryer hookup. I'll let you know if washer and dryers are included or you bring your own. This is the 3rd bedroom here. You could put, this is a smaller one, full size. I say a full size bed in here. I wouldn't do anything more than a full. You could squeeze a queen, but now you're not gonna have any space, okay? Again, laundry area, I believe that goes outside, that's locked. And this is another bedroom on the smaller side. Again, this is a smaller bedroom, full size. Not the same size as the other ones upstairs, all right? So you got 1, 2, and then we have another 3 right here, a big one. Similar to the one that we saw upstairs, so about the same size. Not as big, but you can put a king size in there easy. So there you go. You got 3 bedrooms downstairs, and then you have another full bath right down here. So you can call Mr. Real Estate 617-544-7325. 617-544-7325. Call Mr. Real Estate. That goes outside. That's a basement door. So call Mr. Real Estate 617-544-7325, and this could be yours. And I'll give you the price. Price is around 30 in the threes, put it that way. All right?